In 2008, Bed of Roses was a #1 hit for Rising Stars favorites Noddi Virtue and Jodi-Ann Pantry. Jodi-Ann is here to give us the backstory behind that massive song in our FiWi Culture segment.
How did this cover come about?
Well. Interesting. Well, as for that journey, Bed of Roses journey, it was Digital Rising Star that really unlocked that level, because we had to, us the contestant during that time in Digital Rising Star, we had to bring in a past contestant. I couldn't think of anybody at the time. I was panicking. And you know what? It was my cousin, who was a teacher at Glenmere High School at the time, who said, why not Noddi? He's a great singer, like an excellent singer. I think you two would complement each other. And I was like, all right, let's do this. That's how it really came about. But we had to select the perfect song. Me never knew which song to select. So it was really Noddi who helped out with that. And he was like, say, Banjo of the Bed of Roses, we can mash up that. And I said, all right, let's see if we can mash it up now. And I tried my best, like I sang like never before that night. And it was like, and still is, one of the best performances on Digital Rising Star in terms of two contestants collaborating. The song was produced by Gladstone Wright, Moses Reflection. He's actually Noddi Virtue's manager. Noddi and I shared this kind of musical bond. Our energies really worked back then, with each other. And we were so in love with that song, we understood the meaning of the song. Once we understand the lyrics that we're singing, it comes naturally. Mikey Bennett was there navigating the process too, which made it quite easier for me. I learned a lot because Mikey also unlocked another level in me where, me never knew I could have used my lower register that well. And he made me go all in. He helped me to go all in vocally on that song too.
Alright, Portmore Massive, big up on yourselves. This is how we're going to close out this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. But before we go, I'm now the Addy and I'm going to ask Eddie one last time. Eddie, you're lucky in your answer. Woolman's top 5, yeah?
Yeah, man, most definitely.
Boy, people, what's it?
Come on, man, I get Kodagis, big up all of the Woolman's family, and I got put in the faith and believe we're gonna get the top 5.
Alright. He managed to convince me a bit more in the end. Let's find out next week where Woolman's finished in Boys Champs. Until then, I'm now the Addy signing out. Big up on yourselves. We out.